I've got you. Shh, shh. You're safe now. It's all right. There you go, little one. You're safe with me. All right, everyone into the basket. It's getting wet out here. There. All cozy and dry. Both inside. Safe at last. This fire will warm us right up. Easy now, little one. Let's get you warm and dry. There we go. All better now. See the sunset, little friend? It's beautiful. Shh, little ones. The fire will warm you. There. That's better. You're safe now. Let's take a little walk outside. My corn! The rows are ruined! Mud everywhere! What a disaster! I'll fix this. Tomorrow will be better. Another beautiful day on the farm! Oh no! The tractor is stuck in the mud! How am I gonna get it out? The farm needs rebuilding. I'll start right now. With these tools, I can fix anything. Let's get to work. Yes, you're almost out. Keep going. Yay, you did it. Great job. Woo-hoo-hoo. What a team. Some work. First, a strong frame. Now for some clothes. Ta-da! The perfect scarecrow. Look at my scarecrow. Isn't it great? Let's go see the farm. Wow, the whole farm looks amazing. What a perfect day. Hey, look at you all playing so happily. I'm so glad you're all safe here. What a beautiful sunset to enjoy.
Wow, the corn is so tall now. Look how green they are. A storm is coming, we better keep going. The sunset is so beautiful. Wow, what a beautiful day on the farm. Look at the corn, it's ready to harvest. Yay! A perfect harvest. Thank you for visiting my farm.
Hello, everyone. Ready for some harvesting fun? All right, hop on. Let's build this cart. Whoa, look at all this corn. What a beautiful sunset. Perfect end to the day. You're a bundle of joy. What a happy day. Hey everyone, time to eat. This is the best day ever. Delicious. I love sharing with friends. This is the best ride ever. Look at that big barn and haystacks. Time to explore. Wow, the whole farm is glowing. So beautiful. What a beautiful farm at sunset. The corn is waving like an ocean. I'm going in for a closer look. This is paradise. The sunset is magical. What a beautiful morning. Hey friends, come join the fun. We'll wait out the storm together. Now for a peaceful sunset. There, little one. You're safe with me. That's my good kid. I love these moments.